right, guys, we're gonna change the battery on a new Ford vehicle. You're gonna come in here, take that key out. Yes, there's a little latch here for those that don't know, so you can pull it out in case your battery dies in your car. Then you're gonna take this and pull this right here, guys. You're gonna pull out, take that out. You're gonna take a toothpick right in here. And it flies right out. Take your new battery, if you could get it out of the packaging that they put it in. Okay. Wow. Yeah, they put this in here like it's never gonna come out of here. All right, so we finally got it out of the unbreakable packaging here. It's insane, but anyways, slide it in, pop in your new battery, you put your cover back on, and that's it. You could press your little stuff here. We're outside. You can't see it. I know I saw the red light. And there we go. We can hear it out there. So we're good to go.